Hi, this is Ajay, and in this video I'm going to show you the demo of my Content Swift AI, which is AI software for generating the blogs and the social media contents. Okay, so this is the application, and very quickly I'm going to show you the entire process how to use this particular software. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to log into the account, and as soon as we do that, okay, you will come to this particular screen, and these are some of the blogs that were previously created. So my Content Swift is an application by which you can create blogs, and at the same time for those blogs you can create the social post, that is the Facebook post, the TikTok script, and the Twitter and the email campaigns. Everything is done through this software. Okay, so okay, very quickly, I will tell you about the options that we have is the manage project, which is this particular, the same page where you can see all your previously created blogs. So these are some of the blogs that were previously created, and these were also posted onto the WordPress website. Okay. And then we have the new project where we can create a new blog, and then we have the categories for managing the categories. Okay, very quickly I'll be telling you about this, about the categories, what exactly it is. And then we have the settings. Okay, and now under settings, like this is where you're going to first do all the setting part. That is, you're going to add your blogs over here. You can add up to 12 blogs. What does that mean is you can connect to 12 WordPress blogs. Okay, and okay, there is something that is a WordPress plugin that you need to download, and with that plugin you can actually connect to your WordPress website. Okay, but this is a demo video where I'm going to tell you exactly how to use this application, how you can generate your blogs and your social media contents. So I'm going to go to the new project. I will click on the new project, and this is the screen. And over here you have to give a project name. That is a simple name. This is like your internal name. Okay, it is not something that you're going to give the name for your blog. Okay, just a name. That is the name of the project. So right now, okay, let me just think of a topic which I can come up for my blog, and depending on that I can give a name. So maybe I will say, something like money management. And the target audience, if you want, you can keep it this is as empty if you want, or you can specify your target audience. It can be your students, it can be adults, only for adults, or anything. Okay, so you can specify, or you can just leave it blank. I'm going to leave it blank, and then you can specify the maximum number of words that you want to generate. Now maximum you can have around 2000 words for one particular blog you can generate. Okay, and by default it is 500, so I'm going to keep it as 500. Okay, just because this is just a demo video, so I'm just going to keep it very short. So I'll keep it as 500 words for my blog. And then this is the category that I was talking about previously. So you can, these are the some previously created categories. So to which category this blog belongs to. Okay, so if you do not have that category, okay, you can create a category clicking on the plus sign, and you can type in the name and click on add category, and that category will be added. So okay, I do not have that category, so I'm going to click on the plus sign, and I'm going to give something like finance, something like that. Okay, and click on add category, and that category is now over here. Language, now there are so many languages that we have. You can choose any language. I'm going to keep it English. And the writing tone, now this is very important, because depending on your writing tone, okay, what kind of tone you want for your blog. Okay, now we can have a casual, you can have confident, or you can have for educational tone. Okay, whichever suits your needs, you can go for that one. I'm going to keep this as educational. I'm going to keep it as educational, and then I need to give a subject. So I'm going to say tips for good money management. Okay, money management. And then I need to click on generate. Now as soon as I click on generate, it is going to generate 10 different topics for me. Okay, so let me just click on generate, and now the AI is going to generate the post titles for me. And now you can see these are the 10 categories, not categories, these are the 10 post titles. And now you can see the first title is like a tips for good money management, maximize your saving potential. So if I feel okay, this suits me, or I like one of them, I can go for it, or I can even edit this, any of one of this as per my requirement, and then I can click on next. Okay, so these are the 10 post titles that it is going to generate for you. Now what you need to do is you can choose any one of them, or you can edit them and then click on next. So for example, I'm going to take this like avoid common money mistakes with these expert tips. Okay, I'm going to go with this one. So I need to just click on that next button. So I'm going to click on next button, and as soon as you do that, it is going to generate the entire blog post. Also it is going to generate the social media content. Okay, now at present it is generating the blog post, and now you can see it is generating the Facebook post, the TikTok script, and very quickly it is doing it. Okay, and this is also going to generate the tweet, that is the X, and the email. As you can see, it has very quickly generated the contents, and within few seconds we are going to have the entire the contents in front of us, and this is the blog in front of you. Okay, now this is okay, we can maximize this. Okay, and so this is the blog post. Now I can make the changes. Okay, this is completely editable. This is an editor in front of you. So if I want to make this as bold, I can select it and make it as bold. I can give it some color. If I want to give a color, I can do that. Okay, like this over here. And okay, now you can see that color over here, and entire editing part I can do this. Okay, so you can make the you want to increase the size, you can do that. Everything you can do that as an editor. After you do this, okay, you can actually export the entire blog post to to a doc file, or you can download that as a text file, or you can download that as a PDF file. For example, if I go for the PDF file, so it is just going to generate that PDF file. I will just show you that, and this is the entire blog post. Just now I made the changes for this particular, the color that I changed, it is reflecting over here. So this is the PDF file. So if you want that, you can do that, or you can directly post this entire blog to your WordPress site. And not only that, okay, not only that, this is the blog post. Now if I click on the Facebook post, you can see this is the Facebook post that it has generated. Okay, I have to simply click on the copy button, and I can post it on my Facebook account. And then this is the TikTok video script as it is in front of you. And then we have the X post, as you can see. Then this is the email that's in front of you, right? And we can also generate an image. Okay, now okay, avoid common money mistakes with these expert tips. So I'm going to if you want to keep this, you can keep it as it is, or you can simply type something like money management, and I will simply click on generate image, and it is going to generate an image for your blog post. So everything, the entire content that you require for generating the blog, for for your social media contents, for your Facebook post, your X post, your email campaigns, everything is generates right in front of you. And as you can see, this is the image that it has, generated. If you want, you like this, you can go with it, or you can just regenerate that image again. Okay, Now, once you do all this, okay, all you have to do is go back to your blog post, and you have to come down over here. As I told previously that you can connect this to 12 WordPress blogging sites. Okay, right now I've just connected one of my blogging sites. This is just a simple blogging site that I created just for an example to show you. So this is the blogging site that I created. So I've connected this. So I'll just select that, and I want to post that image as well. Okay, I want to post that image as well. Now, just to show you my blogging website, I'm just going to show you very quickly. That is my content, and let me get it. That is my blogs, and slash, it was uncategorized. Just a minute. Okay, so yeah, this is the category. And just now I just created this this particular blogging site just to show you the example, to give you the demo. And right now there is just one simple post that we have out here. Okay, this is the post that we have. And now what we are going to do is we are going to post the blog that we just generated. Okay, so let me go back, and I've selected the blogging site. Okay, I'm in the WordPress site, and I also want to post that image. It depends if you want to post or you don't want to post it, but I want to post it. And I will simply click on the down arrow, and I will simply click on publish now. But before I do that, make sure that you click on save all. Click on save all, and then you can click on publish now. And the moment you do that, okay, boom, it has posted your blog to your blogging website. Now let me just go back to the blogging site. Now this was the blogging site. I will refresh this, and you can see the moment I refresh, this is the picture that we generated for our blog, and this is my blog out here. The moment I click onto here, onto that particular link, you can see your entire blog in front of you. Okay, so within just few minutes, what we did is, with the help of MyContentSwift, we generated the entire blog. We generated the blogging, the social media contents, right? And we posted them. So this is the entire demo. Okay, this is how you can actually generate your blogs, and very quickly you can do the posting. You can do the editing. If you, in case you want to change something, you can do that. You have the entire editor. You have, you can make everything as an editor. You can change the color, you can change the size of the font, and then you can also download that as a PDF file if you want to share that, or you can directly post your content to your blogging site. Okay, now as I said earlier that in the settings part, okay, this is the settings part, and over here this is one of my I've connected to one of my blog. And to connect to the blog, we have a separate video where you need to download your WordPress plugin, and then you need to connect. Okay, it's pretty simple to do that. Okay, but this particular video, I just wanted to demonstrate how to use this software, how powerful this software is. And this is, okay, a software that you are just going to pay just a one-time price. Okay, you're not going to pay anything for this particular website other than that one-time payment. No yearly or monthly subscriptions. Okay, you're going to get around 50,000 credits every month in this particular software. So every month you can utilize that much of credits, and you can generate so much of contents, and you can upload to your blogging sites. Okay, so this is the demo that we wanted to show you. It's a very good software. You can definitely use this for your blogging work and for your social media contents. Okay, so this is what it is for today. So I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.